Hello friends. Today we are going to tell you how to configure Gmail in Outlook. There are two methods to access your email messages. When you need to access your emails on any device, you need to use IMAP configuration. When you need to access your emails on only the device you downloaded them, you need to use the POP configuration. First, let's learn how to enable IMAP in Gmail. Then you can configure Gmail in Microsoft Outlook, Thunderbird, Apple Mail, and other email clients. The first thing is to log into your Gmail account. Now go to Settings and press See All Settings. Now go to the Forwarding and POP or IMAP tab. Let's move down, and here in IMAP Settings, select the option Enable IMAP to save the changes. Scroll down further, and you can see Configure your email client. Now press Configuration Instructions. You can see the page read Gmail messages on other email clients using POP. Just scroll a bit down to Step 2. As you can see details of the incoming mail, IMAP server and outgoing mail, SMTP server. Just copy these details in Notepad or note them down on paper to keep the information handy. Now we are going to show the process of configuring Gmail in Microsoft Outlook. First, open Outlook and go to the File tab. Here point to Info and click the Add Account button. Now select Manual Setup, press Next. Now select POP or IMAP and click Next. This is the step where you are going to use the information we have asked you to keep handy. Enter the details, select account type as IMAP. When you have filled in all the information, press More Settings. Now select Outgoing Server and check My Outgoing Server, SMTP, requires authentication. Now select Use Same Settings as My Incoming Mail Server. Fill in further details and then press Advanced tab. Again we are going to use the information we have noted down to fill the port numbers correctly. We have to fill the column according to the information we copied earlier. Now complete other settings as per your requirements. Click OK. Select Close to continue. Press Finish to end the process. You have successfully configured your Gmail account in Microsoft Outlook. Similarly, you can add other Gmail accounts to your Outlook profile. We would also suggest you to check out a better Gmail backup software which will save all the emails and attachments present in your account. When you require to keep your emails in the offline files for safekeeping, then use Kernel Gmail backup software. For further information, you can click the link given below. Thanks for watching.